Welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois, the best Quailridge dealer in the United States. We're going to show you one of our favorite trailers, and it's our favorite because it's definitely one of our best sellers. It's a Quailridge 39DLB2. This one is a 2019 tan with tan windows and doors and a tan roof. It's got the tan package. We got the tan going on. MSRP is just shy of $50,000. This particular unit sold, but we generally have a couple of these in stock. So heading on in, you've got your signature his and hers Quailridge wardrobe, queen bed, bedspread, ladder loft. It's got a lot of stuff in it because they're already moving in, but that's okay. You've got sleeper sofa, rocker recliner, table and 4 chairs, 56,000 BTU furnace, black appliances, plank wood linoleum throughout, nice big bright bathroom in the front here, skylight, shower, tub surround, vanity, medicine cabinet, lighting, and then voila, look at this. 2 big bunks, 2 big full-size bunks with no weight limit. You've got drawers for storage, you've got a closet, house type back door. This is the Quailridge 39DLB2, and if you search YouTube, you can probably find dozens of them that I filmed over the years. It's a nice floor plan, big open floor plan. It's the only 2-bedroom that's going to give you a living room that is not claustrophobic, and that is because they combine the living room, dining room, kitchen all into one area. Ceiling fan, entertainment center. You can put the TV on the wall, or if you prefer, you can put a smaller one over there. Anyhow, I'm going outside. We're going to film another trailer. This is a 2019 Quailridge 39DLB2 at Kelly Hicks Construction.